Welcome to number 30493 Pioneer Crescent in Parksville, Vancouver Island, British Columbia. Located on a no-through road in Pioneer Gardens Estates, this 1,100 square foot bungalow features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, double attached garage and driveway, in-home laundry room, and an open living dining area. This home also features fresh paint throughout the entire interior. A fenced-in property with a private backyard patio. Price to sell with quick possession available. Call your agent for a personal viewing. If you have any questions regarding this wonderful property, feel free to reach out at any time or call your real estate professional to book a private viewing of this wonderful home. Thanks for watching, everybody.